Following is a winter weather message from the National Weather Service of Caribou, Maine, issued 2:59 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Friday, February 3rd, 2023. This includes the cities of Fort Kent, Allagash, Pasquie, Islay, Ashland, Clayton Lake, Madawaska, Mars Hills, Caribou, Frenchville, and Van Buren. Blizzard warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Wind chill warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. also on Saturday. For the blizzard warning, ground blizzard conditions, additional snow accumulations up to 1 inch, winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. For the wind chill warning, dangerously cold, wind chills expected, wind chills as low as 60 below zero. This is for northern Aristo County. This is until 7 p.m. Saturday. Plan on slippery road conditions with drifting snow. Widespread blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the Friday morning and evening commutes. Isolated to scattered power outages are possible. The dangerously cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 5 minutes. In addition to low wind chills, areas of blowing snow could cause whiteout conditions. This is particularly true across open areas exposed to the northwest winds. Blowing and drifting snow could make travel very difficult. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit, and if you get stranded, stay in your vehicle. A wind chill warning means the combination of very cold air and the wind will create dangerously low wind chill values. Frostbite can occur quickly and even hypothermia or death if precautions are not taken. Persons should consider delaying all travel. If travel is absolutely necessary, drive with extreme caution. Consider taking a winter storm kit along with you, including such items as tire chains, booster cables, flashlight, shovel, blankets, and extra clothing. Also take water, a first aid kit, and anything else that would help you survive in case you become stranded. Keep pets indoors as much as possible. Additional winter storm warnings in effect from northern Penobscot and southwest Aristo counties. Wind chill warning in effect for that area as well.